Wonder, 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 wonder.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and you are living with Leah. So today we're just gonna keep it real simple. It's gonna be my everyday makeup routine. Okay, so I've already washed and moisturized my skin. I do use a sunscreen, so that is already on my skin. If you guys want to see a skincare routine, go ahead and leave a comment down below. But today, these three are literally all that we're using. So we do have some high-end products right here, but we also do have a drugstore product right here. This I mainly just use for the mirror, but let's start with the brows because that kind of takes, I guess, the longest. But this is the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color chocolate, and I'm just gonna go in with the spoolie, and then I'm just gonna brush out my brows. I am filming a concept video for my friend tomorrow. I got my brows done because if you're unfamiliar, concept videos for dancers, the camera is very much in your face, and we don't need our audience to see all the stray hairs, the bushy brows, unless that's your move. That's not my move. Anyways, so I start lining the bottom of my brow, and since I did get my brows done, it's a little bit easier, and that's also why I'm not using concealer. I'm just going to outline the arch and the tail of the brow, and I'm gonna make this darkest, and then I will slowly bring it to the inner part of the brow and then kind of leave it lighter on the inside. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the top. I'm going to outline the brow of the arch and then fill in the brow on the inside, and then slowly blend that out to the inner part of the eyebrow, keeping it lighter, and then we're gonna brush it out. As you can tell, I've left it lighter on the inner part just so it has that more natural look and it's not just like a block of color on your face. You want it to look natural. You want to be able to see the brow hairs. So I still have that outline from the top and the bottom, but I haven't really filled in the inner part of the brow. So this is where I'm going to blend that outline up and then the top part towards the arch of the brow. So it already gives that kind of natural look without really touching the hairs with the brow pencil. That is the right brow. Let's go ahead and do the left. Okay, and that is my brows. We're gonna go with the e.l.f. This is the Wow Brow in the color dark brown. This is just their brow gel. It's really simple. I like this. This is very lightweight. So my right brow is a little bit more sparse on the inner part, so I like using a colored brow gel just to kind of emphasize the brow hairs a little bit more. Lastly, we are going to go in with a Tarte Man-Eater. This is in Blackest Black, I believe. I don't really curl my lashes, mainly because I feel like my lashes don't hold a curl. My lashes are very straight and they're not that long, but I just start with going with the mascara on the top part of the lashes and then just get the product on each individual lash, making sure they're coated well enough to create that base, and then just kind of spreading it out, making sure none of the lashes are clumped together. Then while that sits, I'm going to do the same thing on the left side. Once I'm finished with the left side, I will go ahead and go back in on the right just so we can make it look and appear a little bit thicker and also add some length, so now the product has something to hold on to, especially at the ends, so it just makes it a little bit longer. And I believe this mascara is waterproof, which I like, especially when I'm dancing and sweating. It doesn't kind of like melt off. I feel like, at least from the mascaras that I've used, I always have a little bit that comes off and transfers to my lower lash line, but that's usually after I've had like a long day of rehearsals and a workout and just running around, so it's not that much of an issue for me. And that is it. That is my everyday makeup routine. It honestly isn't that much. It is very quick and easy. You just do it 5 minutes before you leave out the door and then you're good to go. There are some days where I will add a little bit concealer if I want to kind of not look as dead. But for the most part, this is what I wear on a daily basis. And yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be shooting a video tomorrow, so you guys will be getting a get ready with me as I get ready for that video shoot, and I'm super excited. I feel like it's gonna turn out so great. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please stay tuned for a new video next week, and I will see you guys soon. Okay, bye!